Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so the switch works. Install Google Maps and sign into your Google account. This ensures saved places sync. Once done, make sure iOS is updated and location services are enabled for accuracy. Open Settings, tap Privacy Location Services, find Google Maps and set to while using or always if needed. Also enable background app refresh so directions update. These steps prepare your phone so subsequent changes stick and give reliable navigation data. Now you replace Apple Maps inside the iPhone's workflows because TrueSystem default isn't changeable. You'll create shortcuts and use Google Apps for navigation. Start by making a Siri shortcut that opens Google Maps, / with query parameters for addresses, then assign voice triggers like directions home. Next, edit contact cards to use Google Maps links and choose Google Maps when sharing locations from browsers or apps. This approach routes requests to Google Maps and behaves like a default in everyday use. Finish by testing every entry point: Siri, shortcuts, widgets, share sheet, and contacts. Make sure each opens Google Maps and gives turn-by-turn directions. If something still opens Apple Maps, force quit apps and retry. If links fail repeatedly, reinstall Google Maps and reset location and network settings in Settings General Reset. As a tip, install apps that explicitly let you pick a navigation app for routes. This final sweep ensures your phone consistently prefers Google Maps for navigation, and quick fixes are ready.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.